What has this absolute weapon done now? Jacob? What are you doing?
Good morning, you two. Monday morning, nice and early. Gonna be a nice week, I think. So yeah, we've got a few timber jobs on this week actually. It's a little one to do today. 4 sections of 1.8 feather edge and 4 sections of 1.2 and a gate to do. Yeah, so the lads should be here in a minute actually. We've got a delivery coming, some 358 mesh for the job. Well, it's not till next month actually when we're doing that in school holidays, Easter holidays. But yeah, we're into March now already, aren't we? Whew. My birthday in a couple of weeks. Think concrete retaining panels should be here this week, hopefully. We might be able to get on with that. So, just make a bit of room here for this delivery coming. I think lads will probably go get the timber from Manningham, open a new timber fencing bit just round corner Ecclesville, so quite handy for us. So yeah, might as well go get it there rather than down at the States, it takes forever. So yeah, I shall get off for now and get some footage as we go along in the week.
Got Jacob cutting a load of stuff up for a couple of jobs, so whilst I've got a spare hour, having a bit of a jimmy around this water container. We collect all this rainwater for cement. We're moving it over here. So we're going to put a lean-to on here, where it'll just open up that entranceway into there, make it a lot more bright and airy. So that's what we're on with. All this room for activities. Done with sorting guttering now and all pipe. Get that secure. He's messing about and taking his time with something as usual. There we are, she's all dry fitted up, clipped up, chimmed out. Good as new. These fittings here, there's not actually holding them, so a little bit of silicone to go on these. I'll be doing my job.
Hi there, yeah, so I'm just over in Farnley actually, just seeing the job. Farnley Falcons rugby. But strangely enough, next door here, they built some houses. I think there were about 10 houses, probably 3 or 4 years ago. And we did the fencing around all the estate for the builders. We've done a few bits for over the years. Basically, once new gates here, and I don't know if you can see, the timber fencing goes all the way up there, up the car park, and then returns. That timber fencing's coming down, and he only wants 1.8 V mesh up there, returning there, and then they've got 3 or 4 pitches dotted about, but the main pitch is over there, and he wants that fencing off as well, with some, I think he just said double gates on that, but there's some more double gates up top there as well. So yeah, decent job really, but obviously it won't be an overnight job this, like I go for funding and whatnot. So anyway, I should get this one priced up and see how we get on. So yeah, I'm just at Cavendish School here. A couple of panels like this, they're half panels, but this pond area is 5 that way by 5 that way. Timber to come down, replaced with 2.4 V mesh. There's the mugger over there, and there's also, he wants some flat things on the gates. There's another one here. That's just clips, yeah, they'll just go on. We'll self-tapper some more on. Just having a walk around, the kids are wrecking some of these panels that we didn't install these, but.
So, cable tied this here, it's bent and snapped to the other side, it's probably a new panel.
That probably wants self-tapping from that side, but that seems weak to me. Do you know what that wants? A post in the middle.
Do that please, post and in,
yeah,
because it's all snapped at the side.
Yeah, I think that's why, because there's that much, seems to be that much play in that for some reason. Look.
Yeah, to make that right then.
They're obviously running on here and
they're
jumping into that, aren't they?
Got into this area at night time, so that needs securing.
Yeah, so we'll self-tap that and put a post in the middle there.
And then we come down into the next area I want you to look at. Is we have an area of palisade down there, which we're getting into, and this corner here.
Yeah, we'll just adjust these gates because we haven't installed them, but they've dropped. Yeah. Luckily they've got hinges that can be adjusted there, I can see, so it's something to note of a fix.
The fencing all around, but can we put a panel there? Can we do something with the bottom?
Yeah, I think it. Should we just Do one
Panel, yeah.
and then one out, do you think? Two panels?
Yeah, 2 panels.
Yeah. Do 2 panels, one into the corner, one out. It sort of takes them away from that. That's all this is leaning, isn't it? But
It's awful, isn't it? But this is something for the future, this corner.
yeah.
Not now. So I've sorted that, but we're using the tree to get
Climb over.
I don't know whether we just need to stick 2 panels or something like that.
Whose is the tree?
It's wasteland behind the back.
I think that needs cutting off, mate.
Fine, so I'll get that cut off.
Yeah.
And then
I think that'd solve a lot of your problems.
and then we're using this wire to get over here.
Right, yeah.
Because it's easy to climb on this and to climb out. So can we stick some in here? And I'm going to stick a bit.
Does it want a higher one, do you think?
Possibly, just even up 2 panels. I don't know.
Yeah, I think it wants 2 panels of 2.4 put in there, doesn't it? Just 2 panels of V-mesh 2.4 there.
Yeah.
And get this tree chopped
the
back
tree
a bit.
sorted.
I'm out of breath. Just had a right walk round there, as you probably saw with Headmaster. He's sounding, but he works for Trust. We've done all this school all the way around, so he's used to us. He just walked at car. I've just given him one of our little fittings because he's got a panel over there that he just wants to do himself. We left him some bolts and clips and that last time, so he's just gonna fire it on himself. His sound. But yeah, there's loads of little bits to do there. There's like, well, in a mugger, it's like an old tennis court or something that's been made into a mugger. But he said that a builder or something at the time did it themselves. It's like a bit of a concoction of fencing, so it's all bent and twisted. So it needs to come down, and then a new one, probably rebound panels there. I'll quote him 656 and rebound. There's a bit of fencing over there. I'll have to go through my videos and remember, because there were quite a few bits. I'll get this one quoted up. It's not in a real rush, it's just some little bits. We'll probably do it in school holidays, so yeah, I'll leave it at that for now.
Right, I'll just show you what we've been doing for the last 3 days. It took us a couple of days to post this. We took all the old fence down. There were like some panels. Baggy's just peeling that side. We're going to build a little panel to go in there, squeeze past house there. Baggy's nailing that side. I'm just on with that corner coming out of there, so quite a nice garden. Bit of timber for a change, so yeah. There's a gravel board going up bottom, a timber gravel board. We're going to have to make some down there, like a sandwich a piece in, and yeah, it should look swell, that. Looking really good. Goes right up here. Nice line down there, so yeah, look really nice, this garden, when we're finished. So yeah, I'll be back with a finished video.
Well, we've had a good tidy up. We've just marked out where there's new, well, there's a lean-to is going to come. There'll be a steel rack down here, so we can finally get full lengths of steel in, because at the minute we'd get a big steel delivery in the yard, and with just the way that it's set out in there with a steel rack, we had to cut at least 2.5 metres off the end of each length. So as you can imagine, we get a delivery and it's raining. We're outside with it, so this should be better.
Am I doing it right?
You shouldn't have drawstrings on your jumper either when you're operating any machinery. Tuck them in or lose them, and your neck. What you on with?
Mate, well, we're making the panel silent gear actually. It's not great. So anyway,
Where does he get?
Well, no, these are transport. I'm doing all the transport.
Alright, she's cutted a load of stuff up already today as our Jacobine. Some cranks, and then there's some 6.5 metre wide gates. Get them done it next day or two. What has this absolute weapon done now? Jacob, what are you doing?
I only came in for cutting discs.
It's a sausage, aren't you?
I was like reaching and then I turned and it was shutting my head and then I went to open it and it wasn't
Why don't you
open.
fully open it on latch?
Well, I thought I had done. And then obviously turned around and it shut.
Have you got cutting discs?
3 of them. I mean, mission accomplished. It just took me a bit longer than expected.
Just took 2 of us to get some discs out of that. It's a productive day, wasn't it, Jacob?
I'm always productive.
We've just made some 6.5 metre double leaf gates. We've just got posts left to do in the morning. And then we'll be good to go. And these are there to go with them cranks. 6 of them, isn't there?
Yeah, 6, yeah.
Yeah, and we had to
Put that
rock
job
off
on hold.
that job, that 4 leaf, well 2 double leaf gates. And crack back on with them Monday, I reckon. What do you reckon?
Yeah. Well, with how fast we've got
We're in
this
tomorrow, but we're out and about, aren't we?
Yeah,
We're locking,
appointments and...
locking yourself in vans and stuff.
Yeah. Right, that was one time...
How
we
bright
were-
nice it is out
I
here.
know it feels, yeah.
Brighter than your future out here.
My future is bright. That's saying something. I've actually been told I'm the smartest in this company. Baggy, who's smartest in this company? Smartest.
You
Oh
kiss
no,
ass.
he's after. Definitely.
I'm going to accountant with Matt year and 3 double SC. Get that signed off. And I'm coming straight back meeting Carl. We're going up to another one of Carlton Ball and Trust School. So yeah, busy day. And it's a Friday, thank God. Everyone loves a Friday, eh? I'm just up at Carlton Mills. So basically, they were on about replacing all this fence, but I've told them to kind of leave that as a double deterrent and we'll put a new 358 prison mesh fence on the inside. It goes all the way up there and then that other side. Yeah, so we need this gate changing for the mesh gate, 2.4 high with a plate on it here so they can't climb. So yeah, I just did my walk round there at Carlton Mills. Couldn't really get any footage because I was with Lassant Trust and site manager. Kids were in and out and stuff like that, so a bit of a nightmare. So they've got a leak inside, so they had floor dug up inside and all sorts, so they're panicking and stressing. So yeah, I've just spoke to the lads. I think they're nearly done down that job in Horsforth. They've been lovely house and stuff like that, but no, you know, not even met lads a drink, cup of tea, not even offered them a cup of tea. Been there all week, you know, it's like, come on. But yeah, so I shall call it actually. I'm just going to do a lot of admin now, so boring stuff behind scenes. So if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up and we'll see you next time.